Woke up here bright and early at the Rock Creek Park here near Irwin, Tennessee. Had a great night's sleep, sure did. Perfectly level spot. Enjoyed that air conditioner. Didn't need it as much as I did in Arkansas, that's for sure, but I did run it until the sun went down last night, so it was greatly appreciated. One of my viewers asked me to kind of show you the setup of that air conditioner, so I'll do that real quick. But yep, today is Sunday, it's Mother's Day, and I'm going to head up the hill. I'm going to go to the spot where I met Jonathan yesterday and try to set up some good trail magic and cook some soup and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, this whole trip has just been beyond amazing. I'm very blessed to be able to do it, so. Yep, my plan is I'm going to go back up the hill, go to that spot, do some trail magic till maybe 2 o'clock, and then decide what I'm going to do from there. I haven't exactly decided yet. See how I feel at the end of the day. Alright, so I've got my little 13,000 BTU air conditioner right there set up in the back. It's turned off currently so that you don't hear all that wind blowing. But yep, that blows right across the bed. It's beautiful. It's also small enough I can turn it and curve it any way I want, so it doesn't have to blow directly on me. I can do it however I want, so that's kind of nice. Let me show you the outside. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my little electricity coming. Plugs right in here. And my AC's plugged to that. This little hose vents right through this door. And these things fly up when it's going. Man, look at that dirty van. But anyway, yep, this is my little setup. So this has got plenty of room. I just have all this junk piled here right now, but normally that's not there, and I can swivel it around a little bit better. Yep, love it. Picked that up at homedepot.com. They delivered it to my house, no shipping charges. It was about 220 bucks. So well worth its weight in gold. Alright, it's time to set up a little trail magic. I sure hope this works. There's nobody here right now, but there shouldn't be. People starting out this morning shouldn't be here for about another probably half hour or an hour. Oh shoot, well I forgot to show y'all. I got it set up, but I already got a hiker here eating. I think some more are coming. What's your trail name?
Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland originally, but I moved to Massachusetts and then I came here.
Oh, cool. So now you live on the trail for 6 months or 5 months or...
Rest of my life.
Awesome. So you're enjoying yourself, huh?
This is awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Sure. What's your trail name?
Longbird.
Longbird. Where are you from?
I'm from, originally from Austin, Texas. I live in Bryan, Texas. Girlfriend's from Texas too. She's up at Pre-Days.
Oh, okay.
She's with Riff Raff, so she's helping them set up and
waiting for us.
Doing this, but up there.
Cool, cool.
That's why we're sprinting ahead, is we're trying to catch them and hang out there for a day before we go to trail days.
Awesome. What's your trip?
What day is it?
What day is it?
Yeah, I never know what day it is.
That's awesome. You probably don't really need to know, do you?
No, that's kind of nice, actually.
But it is Mother's Day, so if y'all have a mother, give her a call when you get reception.
Sure, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day very much. I hear hikers. I sure hope they're hungry. So what's your trail name? Where are you from?
My name is Herdudeness, and I'm from northern Indiana.
Cool. What brought you to the trail?
So I read the Southbounders book about the Barefoot Sisters.
Uh-huh.
When I was 18, and it just struck something in me that I was like, I want to do that. And my mom's best friend's husband, he took me hiking because he had been section hiking the trail for several years, and he took me hiking and just got me into it, and it's always been a dream of mine to do. So. Great,
so you're actually making it come true.
Yes, yep.
Yay, good for you. Is it everything you thought it'd be?
Yes, and more.
That's great. What's your trail name? Suddenly the wind picked up, so you couldn't even hear Taylor. But this is Taylor. She's from Washington, D.C. Her love for hiking comes from hiking with her father, and it's always been a dream of hers to hike the Appalachian Trail. So she brought along her wife and, yeah, made her hike it with her.
Yeah, I did a little bit. I also don't have a trail name. My name is Caitlin. Most recently from D.C. Grew up in California, Santa Rosa, California. Yeah, I got roped into this.
Well, I'd say you're a lucky
But I'm
girl.
having fun.
That's great. That's great. How about you, Dad?
Everyone calls me Dad. I'm from just south of Nashville, and I've read something about the trail almost 10 years ago now, and I've wanted to do it ever since. So
That's great. Isn't that great? How just reading something will stick in your head?
It sparks an interest.
So you loving it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's great. That's great. No hardships here. They're having a good time. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm G-Pack, and I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm with Deep over here.
Yeah, we're both from Charlotte.
Very good. What brings y'all out on the trail?
Oh, it just worked out really well. We were living in Atlanta for a year. We weren't really happy down there, and it was our lease was up in April, so it kind of worked out. We had some savings, so.
Perfect.
Yeah. And
I like the plan.
yeah, it's kind of winging it, but it's going well. We love it.
Yeah.
Loving it so far.
Right. Great. And what's your name?
My name's Tank. I'm originally from Rhode Island, but most recently from Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was teaching kindergartners over there, but I'm almost 30. I turned 29 this year.
Awesome.
So I decided I really wanted to hit the trail. I've been planning for like 2 years, soft planning for like 2 years. So I was pretty excited once the semester finished to like come back to the States and hit the trails. And I'm
That's great.
absolutely adoring it.
That's great. I'm glad you made it happen. That's awesome.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Saucy Little Minx, or Minxie for short, and I'm from Philly, PA, and I've been wanting to do this trail, I think, since I was a teenager and first heard about it. But the stars finally aligned until like 10 years later, and I needed a change in my life, and I just was in this terrible job and just decided, you know what, I just need to like go ahead and do something totally different.
Yeah.
And I finally was able to just like get the resources together and took the leap, and I'm so glad I did, because I am absolutely loving this, and this is what I needed.
Wasn't that terrifying to take that leap?
It was so terrifying, because you never, you leave, because I left like a decent life in a lot of ways, I think, behind for the trail, but I think the trail is what I needed most.
Yeah.
I needed it more than the stuff I had,
Right.
already going on for me, so.
And what is your YouTube channel name?
Katie Boots.
Can you spell that?
Yeah, KAITY_Boots, BOOTS.
Very cool. I'm going to look you up whenever I get reception and get a chance.
Thank
All right.
you.
Awesome. Hey there.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Crypto, and I'm from Toledo, Ohio.
Oh, very cool.
And my family took a trip last summer to Tennessee. I hiked up Mount LeConte. Thought this was awesome, and so here I am.
That's great. And what's your story, sir?
I'm Mad Max. I'm from Germany.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Wanted to come here for a few years, and now this is the year.
That's awesome. Well, I'm glad you got a chance to do it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Very cool. So, hey friends, I am back here at Rock Creek Campground outside of Irwin in Tennessee. Had a great day today doing the trail magic with the hikers, but then something happened. My van started acting funny. It like sputtered and died. So I put it in park, started it again, started right up, started to go, it sputtered and died, and I'm like, oh no. I was literally 5 miles up a dirt road with no reception. So I managed to turn around, get the van turned around, and started it back up, cruised down the mountain in low, and it made it fine. So then I stopped, I did the trail magic and everything, and I thought, oh, what could this be? So I start the van back up when I get ready to leave, and I'm coming back down the hill, and it died one more time on me. So I came into the campground, paid for another night, backed up into my parking spot. It won't start at all now. So I'm just very, very thankful it got me back here and didn't leave me stranded up on top of the mountain, because it's Sunday, it's Mother's Day. Absolutely nothing's open. So, yeah, I put my code reader on it. It came up with PO339, I think it said. But I looked it up, and it said it could be a crankshaft sensor, or it could just be something in the wiring. It said it could actually just be a loose connection. Well, with the bumpy road I was going up, I'm almost going to guess it's something like that. So, yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. I guess I'm going to try to clear the code, see if it'll start, and if it will, I will drive myself to the mechanic, see if he can figure out what's loose. If not, then I will call AAA and have myself towed to a mechanic, which is never fun. They never send the right truck for this big old van. Yep. Because you got to be stuck somewhere. Might as well be stuck in someplace pretty like this, huh? Just going to chill out here, try to get some work done, try to maybe get a video uploaded. Oh my gosh. Again, I don't know how people do this on the road. It's really hard to get reception and find the time to sit down and do editing and stuff. But anyway, it's been a lot of fun. I've had a great adventure so far. So tomorrow I'm going to try to get the van fixed so I can move on. But yep, I hope whatever you did today was wonderful. I hope if you're a mom, you had a great Mother's Day. And I'll hopefully see you on down the road. Stay lost, my friends.